So in this particular section, we're going to talk about the fillet command. And the fillet command is a command that helps us to round sharp corners when it comes to objects, right? So over here we have a rectangle and we have 4 sharp corners and we want to round them. We use the fillet command. So for the fillet command, you just go over here, click on it. As you can see, our fillet command is active. So once you activate the fillet command, go to radius, specify the radius that you want to round your corners to. We can have maybe a value of maybe 50 millimeters. Hit enter. Then you have to specify your first object and your second object. As you can see, our corner is rounded to 50 millimeters. So the shortcut key for fillet command is F. Hit enter. Our fillet command is active. Now we can use a different option, that is multiple, if we want to ease our work. So we can use the multiple option. Click on multiple, then we can specify the radius that we want. Right now we can use maybe a different radius. We can use let's say 80 millimeters. Hit enter. So specify your first point, second point, first point, second point, first point, second point. Yes, so that's how we use the fillet tool. See you on the next section.